Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some delicious Stacon. Yes, Stacon. I saw this at the supermarket and I was like, let me try this because I love bacon. But these are thicker, a little wider, and they also don't shrink a lot. So I figured let me try it. Let's get into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to bake this. So I have them on greased wire rack here. So I brushed on some oil and then I just put it on a foil lined baking sheet. What I like about cooking bacon this way is that the excess fat drains off. And today we're not just going to do regular bacon. We're doing Stacon, yes, but we're also going to be doing honey Stacon and honey mustard Stacon. This is super simple because what we're going to do is brush on the honey. So brush that on all over and then we're going to bake it. While it's baking, we will flip it a few times just to ensure evenness of cooking because this is a little thicker than regular bacon. So after we're done brushing on the honey on 3 pieces, then I'm going to be brushing on some honey mustard on the other 3 pieces. So this is some honey mustard along with a little bit of honey stirred together. Just brush it all over. If you want to do all of them with just honey, that's fine too. And we're going to be baking this and flipping it and brushing it every 10 minutes. So guys, the reason I want you to brush it and flip it every 10 minutes is because we want to build up the caramelization. Look at this beautiful color, guys. On the left, we have the honey bacon. It's a little more glossy and you can see the edges are nice and crispy. And then on the right, we have the honey mustard bacon. So delicious. What I really like about this Stacon is that it really doesn't shrink a lot. It doesn't. So you get to enjoy a lot of bacon. It takes a longer time to cook, but the payoff is just excellent. This is so delicious, guys. I know you'll enjoy it. You can have it with brunch or, breakfast, but it's so delish. You could also switch things up. You could mix some maple with the honey and brush it on. Make your own maple honey bacon. You could even add some cayenne pepper, make it spicy. Definitely explore, guys. Do different things and see how you like it. But these are really good. So let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.